Good morning, my boys.
Good morning, my girl.
We figured today we should go out and explore a little bit more of this island.
Mainly because there's no electricity in this villa. It's quite dreadful to be here with no
Air condition.
circulation. This is like being in Kuala Lumpur.
See you on the scooter.
Okay, let's go to the waterfall. Don't go chasing. Whoops. A palm fell on the wires this morning and it destroyed the electricity. How many hours? Two more hours?
One more.
One hour. Okay, perfect. Good.
Go!
Quick Thailand pro tip. Don't ever go to the shooting ranges here because they are overpriced with shitty guns and shitty ammo. Yeah, Amalia's gonna park the scooter.
Maybe this is not the best place to drive a scooter the first time. This is the first waterfall of today and it's called Wang Sang Tong.
We just met two people who said that it was a huge disappointment.
We will go anyway.
Is that the way?
Yeah.
I don't like this.
Why?
Because I twisted my little tiny toe. Somehow I managed to twist my little toe while walking from the sunbed to the fridge to get a beer. Worth it.
We have heard that there's a lot of different snakes here, or there's 3 different snakes here on this island, and I hope we won't meet any. Waterfall top.
Hey bro. You're such a little Jane. You're my Jane. I feel like this is like the sort of place you get malaria or dengue. Wow, can you see it, guys? Amalia, no Instagram moment here. We just saw the weirdest spider.
It was almost invisible, Jon, and you have no idea if it's poisoning.
Poisonous.
Poisonous. You have no idea where it is.
I'm proud of you, honey.
There's another one.
Where?
It's fucking everywhere, Jon.
Oh, it's there.
You won't be able to
Can you see it? Yeah, I can get. Yeah, I get
and
it.
do you know what? Do you know what?
What the hell is that? Okay, it gets better here actually. Check it out, bro.
I don't think it's disappointing at all.
The
That's number 1. Now we are going to a different one. Let's drop to it.
We are close to the top, and we've just seen sign of dengue, the dengue mosquito, and that is something that can really freak me out.
There is a scorpion.
What the?
Closer, closer, closer. Oh, my freaking God, it's big.
Jesus.
Before I was quite terrified by walking in the nature because of the spiders, but now there is scorpions and I do not feel like walking here anymore.
I had no idea that there were scorpions here. Oh, it gives me the creeps just thinking about it.
We are looking for a viewpoint. And apparently there's many viewpoints.
Let's go up here. Yo! Amalie, do we have 20 baht?
Maybe. We have them right here.
Did we just pay 40 baht for this? Why do they have these animals here?
We just by coincidence found a pretty spot.
Definitely better than the other places. much better.
Here you don't have to pay just to look.
Hey,
What the fuck are you looking at?
When we had our first Koh Samui scooter day, we thought that Koh Samui didn't have that much to offer, but we just discovered that there is quite
But
much
I
more.
didn't realize that there were these small streets.
No, exactly. I thought there was only the main road.
The
but
dingus streets.
Yeah.
What did you order? Exactly.
Crispy spicy pork salad.
Is it crispy spicy? Wait, do you want something to swallow it?
Coconut water.
Oh, what? One more bite, Amalie.
Get that fucking coconut milk.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Amalie, keep your fingers off. Stop. Amalie, these are mine. Amalie! How are you feeling, Amalie?
Better?
Good enough to move on?
Yes.
Amalie, can you say 3 words about where we are?
Thick vagina.
It's basically a rock formation that looks like a penis and a vagina. There it is, a 1-to-1 rendition of me. That's a vagina.
I think maybe if we go over there, we might see the dick and the vagina from a different angle.
They both see the traps. No fool, oh, they won't go back. No fool, oh, they've got a mind track. No fool.
The wind is taking my camera!
I'm pretty sure that when the wind isn't this strong, you could probably go and take a dip in this little pool.
You
here.
can go there now if you want.
I don't feel like it.
Pussy! Back at the Villa, not the hotel,
What
motel.
a time to be alive.
Hi.
Cool time.
Oh my god.
Jesus Lord. Cheers.
You do realize that we're going home in
2 days.
in 2 days. We are going back to
Cold Denmark.
icy Denmark for the entirety of December. Will be good to see family again. Tomorrow, if the weather is good, we are going over there to the island over there. Can you see it?
Your beer is in the way.
Can you see it?
Right there.
Yeah. So that is the mission tomorrow. If
The weather
the weather is good. It's been very inconsistent, but it would be nice to go on a. It's like a tiny island.
Okay, I think it's time to enjoy this beautiful villa. And
No
have
more screen time for you guys.
for us.
For us. Yeah, we're done for today. The power is back.
Yeah.
I almost forgot to be negative about that.
You did your part.
Okay, good.
No.
See-
Jeg skal ikke under vand. Jeg skal fucking ikke under vand.
See you.
Good.